Landfall.
What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? I'm trying to find. Yo! Signal to him. Wait, watch. I got it. Look. We're here.
Where'd they go?
Oh shit, we scared them.
Yeah, they're like, oh shoot, people are out.
Yeah, for real. They're like, oh shoot, someone actually needs our help.
Yeah. Start running over here.
Look at the rain going up.
Dude. That's picked up. It's swirling.
I'm trying to think of a song.
Ice Ice Baby.
Oh my god! That took two fucking seconds. That was actually funny.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, Blake, your turn.
That's a hummus song.
Yeah.
To...
Do
a
one that
song we know.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You said you got one.
Okay, I got one. I got one.
had one.
I got one. Ready?
What?
Okay, let me finish.
Let the dogs out.
No! Listen, you fun.
I want to pause.
No! Listen. You'll know it. Or maybe not, but it's a funny song. I just ran with that.
Go.
Alright.
Go.
It's hard to do without laughing. Hold on.
It's hard to hum.
That's already.
I think I know it.
He knows it.
Oh, is it a pitbull now?
Not Pitbull.
Do another like part of the song.
That's the only part I know. Let me think.
Who took the dogs?
That's what I thought.
Just fucking get it. You're making me hum this shit.
Oh my god.
Oh, be careful. He's
Guy
behind you.
came out of nowhere. Yeah, I know now. Come on, you guys got it?
No, give me a minute.
Tristan, you don't know that rhythm?
What genre?
It's a song you would know. It's pop, old song.
Old song?
Like older, not that old, but they had a dance to it. All the.
Oh. Ah, yes. That's what. Yeah. Oh my god, I can't think of it. It's a dance. It's a line dance.
Yeah.
Not a line dance, but kind of like a shuffle, like a shuffle. Oh my god. It's the Korean guy.
Finally! Oh my god!
Too much.
Everyone chill. Look at him.
Get him rolled up.
That was
Now
funny.
think the melody.
Gang.
Yeah, no broadcast.
Gangnam Style. That's what I thought.
They're saying 75 miles an hour.
Wait, what is it? Give us a live
What?
report. What is it?
Okay, I got it.
Heavy rains.
Let me think.
I just couldn't think of the guy's name. Like, oh my god.
Sign.
Gangnam Style.
How did you know that?
It just he
That was good. That was good.
I just.
Okay, ready? I got one. Ready?
What I got? Oh, that's thrift shop or some shit. I knew it. I knew
That's
that.
good. I'm gonna pop some tags.
Give me a beat, yo. Come on, give me a beat.
I don't know how do you beat.
Yo, word. Check it. We in Hurricane Milton. I'd rather be staying at the Hilton. Oh, but I'm with your bitch sucking her milk and her titties. Hey. Alright, Gammy, freestyle.
Okay, give me your turn.
Freestyle.
What?
Freestyle. Yeah, rap.
You want freestyle?
They said Window Garden, the Transformers are blowing up.
We saw that.
They said Transformers blowing up.
They said Transformers. I
I said, I know it.
What?
Just guessing with a song, like.
No,
No,
you
we're
just
changing
make your own song with your own
Yeah,
lyrics.
say whatever you
Freestyle
want.
off top of your dome piece.
Say whatever you want. Down.
Alright, let's give this up. We're not freestyling anymore.
Oh my God.
In their face you get sprung.
Give me Cardi B's butt or Nicki Minaj's butt?
Cardi B.
What?
Cardi B's butt or Nicki Minaj's butt?
What?
I feel like Nicki Minaj is more natural. Too.
Cardi B's butt or Nicki Minaj's butt? Which one would you eat?
Oh.
What is that?
What is that? Shit. Only thing to do. Crank shit up. Only thing to do during a hurricane, bro. Fuck off. Yo, it's cold as a bitch. Shite.
That one too. Wait, be careful! Don't touch, you're gonna get electrocuted! God, he's gonna die. Dad,
You have to go get him.
He's
Oh,
climbing
did you?
the pole!
Oh.
Shit. Bro, is a fucking spaceship, that ass? What the fuck? I don't really see nothing. Damn, almost got the Benz though. Can't even really see shit.
That's
still.
the folder right here. Okay.
Okay.
So remember.
Look at that one over there. See?
Oh yeah.
Somebody Amazon. Yo. Oh shit. I don't even see no crazy shit yet. Oh shit. What the fuck? That's fried.
What are you doing?
Oh, you can't even see it.
Why are you filming this?
Because the video's more than worth 1,000.
So you're basically getting the people on the side? They're probably like, excuse you?
Put your drinks up. We got crazy.
I don't have drink.
Double fisting.
Yeah. Now what do we do? Now what are we supposed to do?
Looking in already from your street.
Here she comes. Here she comes.
Alright, no rush for you.
Facts, bro. Gucci flip flops. Fuck you, hit your bitch in my cock. Or what is it? That's bad baby.
Bad baby, yeah.
Cash me outside.
Cash me outside. How about
Cash me
that?
outside. How about
Cash me
that?
outside.
Go
How
run
about
up and
that?
say that to them. I'll film it. Prank.
No.
Did you shit your pants or? Yeah.
Hey, nerds. You want some nerds?
Nerds?
Get in line. Come on.
I gotta be a filmer.
24
Hold
years
it.
sober?
It's 2 hands for real. There's no cage.
Why am I holding it? I'm
Just for 2
clumsy.
seconds. I know.
You got games in your phone? Where's the camera? You got games in your phone?
Shoot.
I'd laugh. I'd be so happy. That's what you got. Karma. We should go to JCPenney and do the photo shoot.
Wait, Tristan, look. That actually would be funny. Look.
I've been 24 years sober. Like,
You're
yeah,
only
look, I parked
24?
right next to you. Isn't that so funny?
Where?
I found you. Did you get frozen yogurt?
Wait, Tristan, get in
Where's
it. We
that?
actually look sick here. I'm like a
we'll follow
vlogger.
We'll follow you over there. You still filming?
What am I face?